This is a $15 air filter. This is the incredibly expensive secondary air pump filter, air pump for the Toyota Tacoma when the 5-cent filter inside of it fails. This is the 15-cent filter inside of the several $1,000 secondary air pump, which fails. When this fails, it destroys your pump and a couple $1,000s later to replace it. So, we're going to get rid of it and put the $15 filter on. Super simple. Pull out this garbage piece of foam that will fail. It's not a matter of you might get lucky. This piece will deteriorate. It will fail. Take that off. This little end cap filter comes off. Just kind of pry open the tabs and slip the filter over the top of it and tighten it down. And just like that, in the span of less than 5 minutes, or probably about the same amount of time it takes you to open a beer, you replace the filter and save yourself a couple $1,000 repair bill for when this air pump does fail. All you need is a screwdriver and a T25 bit. I've got one in this handy little multi-tool. So in and out, pull this cover off, undo the T25 that's in the center of it, pull that cover off, discard the filter, put the new filter over the end of the little quip here, and you're done. That's it. Good. So if you have they call a second generation Toyota Tacoma with the secondary air pump, I don't know exactly what years they are. Mine's a 2015. Get rid of that 15-cent piece of foam. Get the $15 Uni filter. I'll throw a link to the Amazon link where I bought one in the description. Super simple, not really a mod. This is something that is, my opinion, basic maintenance on a 2005 through 15 Tacoma with that secondary air pump. This is both on the V6 like this truck and on the 4 cylinders. Peace of mind, save you a couple $1,000s for when that filter fails and gets sucked into your air pump. Thanks for watching.